All right, guys, the promo is ending tomorrow. Tomorrow is 12th of July. Okay. If you don't take action today, you may not see this opportunity again tomorrow. So if you are in estate already, I am now speaking to existing members. This is the right time for you to take advantage of this promo. Grab at least one of these desert villas and then get your free $250 that they are offering right now. Okay, this is a screenshot. You must have seen this screenshot if you have seen, my past 3 or 4 videos. I have been using the same screenshot. Okay, the reason why I'm doing this is to show you that estate is keeping to their promises. Okay, you can see the free lake houses that this our team member got as a result of purchasing the desert villa, which is currently being promoted as part of the bonus. Okay, so if you purchase the desert villa, they will give you the lake house for free. That's what they are doing. Okay, and you can see that this guy got his own lake house for free for purchasing multiple of desert villas here. Right now, let me show you one more screenshot. This one again, this person purchased 8 of the desert villas, and for each of these purchases is going to get $250 worth of lake house. This promo is ending on the 12th of July. If you don't take action now, you are going to miss out. You are not going to get this kind of promo anytime soon in estate. So let me show you one more time. Get registered. If you are not in estate already, get registered with the link below this video description. Complete your KYC, and then you have access to this profit calculator. Once you are on this profit calculator, you will be able to see the lake house and the desert villa. Okay, so the desert villa here is only minimum of 1,000. When you purchase this desert villa for 1,000, okay, you will get the equivalent bonus of the lake house, okay, which is what they are giving as a bonus for this summer promotion. Okay, so guys, this is it. I just thought I should give you final reminder about this promo, and just I pray that you take advantage of this opportunity and make use of it. All right, it ends tomorrow. So for new people looking to join estate, the link will be below this video description. For existing members, okay, you know what you need to do. Log into your back office, okay, go and deposit, go to your e-wallet, deposit your 1,000, and then purchase your desert villa, and then within 12 hours you will get the free lake house, okay, which is $250. You will get that for free. The link to join is below this video description, and for those that are currently in estate, log in and purchase your desert villa. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my next estate video.